wrong in these waters that I can wash my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these rivers that I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in